To inspect and replace the spark plug on your Ranger 150, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface and allow the vehicle to cool completely. Ensure the parking brake is set. Clean the area around the spark plug and remove the spark plug cap. Remove the spark plug by rotating it counterclockwise. Inspect the electrodes for wear and carbon buildup. The spark plug should have a sharp outer edge with no rounding or erosion of the electrodes. Inspect and adjust the spark plug gap if necessary. If necessary, replace with the recommended spark plug. Severe engine damage may occur if the incorrect spark plug is used. Reinstall the spark plug and torque to specification. Reinstall the spark plug cap and ensure it is fully seated. Finally, start the engine and check for any warning lights. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit polaris.com.